Good morning, guys. It is, damn it, my washing machine. Hold on. Pause it for a second. Okay. It is Sunday morning, and I just got back from the hardest bar class I've ever taken, and I did ballet for like 15 years, so whew, it was tough. But anyway, today is a beautiful day. I got up somewhat early, worked out, went to Target, got some snacks and things that I need. And today, what I want to do is go through, I actually want to show you guys my office because I want your help. I feel like the organization is definitely lacking in there because this space serves so many different purposes. It's my closet. It is where I edit. It is where I get ready. It's where I film. Like, there's just so much stuff going on in there. So I'm going to show you guys, and it's an absolute mess. And I am going to be doing a house tour soon. I know I mentioned that in my video where I talked about my anxiety. So that is also coming as well. But I thought it would be fun to just kind of show you guys like where I film. What else? Oh, maybe we'll go through some curly products and I'll go through some PR stuff. I also have some stuff that I want to do a giveaway for, and that will be towards the end of the video. I just wanted to hop on, say hello, and then I will be back and we can get the day started. I hate myself. All right, let's go. You tired? Come on, Maggie. Come on. Does anyone else's dogs like love walking through these things? She does. All right, guys, this is my freaking office slash closet slash work slash film room. It is a freaking disaster. I have so many hair products like just all over the damn place. So I want to know what you guys think I can do to organize this better. Like, normally all of this filming stuff will be tucked underneath, like under here. There's so much stuff to put away. I have clothes over here, a random shoe, purses, like just everything. It's just too much. And then like back here, Vinny keeps like his ties, and I have some drawers with like jewelry and like things like that, and like bras and underwear and all that good stuff. And then I keep my gym clothes here. So Vinny built this like closet system for me, based like off an idea that I saw on Pinterest like 6 years ago, and it's great. But the thing is, well, so for one, like over here it kind of cuts off the closet, so I can't really have like full access to it, which is annoying, and it just gives me like way more shoe storage than I probably need. Like, I probably don't wear half of these shoes. I'm thinking of maybe doing some sort of like closet system in like the corner over here and maybe over here, so it's like pushed further back and not so like far off of the wall. I don't know. Oh, and then this is like where you see me film sometimes over here too. That bag is still from Italy. Haven't unpacked that yet. I have like random hangers and just like a bunch of crap in here. Damn it, the fan is on. I hope it's not making the audio weird. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, so I've looked at a couple different systems for the closet, and I know the Container Store does custom closets, as well as IKEA. Crate & Barrel has some really nice aesthetic stuff, but that's like super pricey. Don't want to spend the money on that, to be honest. If you guys have any suggestions for organization, and I just feel like not everything has a spot, and so it just causes me to put things like randomly wherever I feel like it, and it stresses me out. Like, I don't like to work in here at all anymore. I don't even want to be bothered to like come in here and do anything, and that's the whole point of this room, is to like work and get ready and like have a nice like morning ritual in here, but it just doesn't work out that way. So leave me any suggestions that you have below. Like, I wish Mr. Kate would come to New Jersey. That would be amazing, but sadly I don't live in LA. Also, if you guys want to see like all of my curly hair products, we can do like a declutter maybe together. That might be fun. But yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I have to get rid of. You know, it's just like I don't get around to trying everything. I try to give a lot of stuff away, but you know, it's hard. It catches up with me. So I figured I would go through some of my PR packages and like recent purchases and just talk about a couple things. First thing that I have here is from Wedod, and they sent me like their summer essentials. So I do have some of these products. So I am going to be including some of these in a giveaway. So they sent me the Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel, which I'm a big fan of, the defrizzing shampoo. I do really like the shampoo and conditioner from this line. And then they also sent me the detangling spray, which works amazing. And then a new product I haven't tried from them yet is the Whipped Curls Daily Conditioner and Primer. I believe you can use this as a leave-in or as a conditioner, so I'm excited to try this out. And then also from the Advanced Climate Control line, they sent me the Restore and Revive Bi-Phase Renew Definition Eliminate Frizz. I think this is just like a second day spray. I do already have this, so I'm going to be including this in a giveaway. They did send me one more thing. I just had it in a different box, but this is the Multi-Use Curl Treatment. This is like an oil spray. I'm also going to be including this in a giveaway as well. The Innate Life sent me their Herbal Hair Mask. It's supposed to be hydrating and reparative. They also sent me their scalp treatment, which I have used this before, and I do like this. It just kind of like nourishes your scalp. They also sent, which I also put aside because I want to give away this as well, and I really love it. And it's the Rose Hair Elixir. This is like a blend of like 15 different oils. It is silicone free. These products are all natural, cruelty free. From Wet n Wild, they sent me their Pac-Man collection, which you guys have probably seen. I've seen this in stores. I did open some of it, but it comes with a lip scrub, a lip balm, a colorful makeup palette. I think these are lip products. I believe this is like some like kind of blush or something, but it's like the little like beads or balls. They have these brushes, which are adorable. They have like little Pac-Man sequins in them, and they're super soft. And then they also have some cute like summer color nail polishes in there. And then Diva Curl came out with a new refresher, and this is the Diva Fresh Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. I really like this. Is that it's made with kombucha, prickly pear. So this helps to refresh the scalp. You can also use this on the lengths of your hair to kind of reboost your curl definition. So I really like this so far. I've used it a few times. And then I think the rest of the stuff is stuff that I bought. This is the brand Kin, I believe it's called, and this is their blue shampoo. This is like a clean formula. This is like an intense blue shampoo. So if you have a similar hair color to me, this is good for you. It doesn't have good reviews on Ulta, but I think it's because a lot of people with lighter hair are trying to use it. Do not use this if you have lighter hair. They also have a purple shampoo that has good reviews, so maybe try that out. But I have the trouble of just like my ends getting really, really brassy, especially during the summer because my hair will like naturally lighten up. I get a lot of questions about my hair color. I don't color my hair. This is my natural color. I've used this twice and I've already seen a really big difference with this, and it's not stripping or drying at all, which a lot of the toning shampoos I find can be. Hi, Maggie. Don't mind my hair, it's still drying and I didn't put any product in it today. Let me know if you guys want to see my no products routine. Obviously, it's not really going to be showcasing products, but more so like the techniques I use. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that. So now let's move into skincare. I purchased these from Ulta, and they are both from the brand Peach and Lily. This is the Wild Dew Essence Treatment. Now, I've never used an essence before, and to be honest, I don't know what this does exactly. I mean, it definitely adds like a layer of moisture on my skin, but you know, it was like 40 bucks, so it wasn't cheap. I'm gonna keep using it. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't do anything bad for my skin, but I'm not really sure what it's doing yet, except adding that little bit of hydration, which is nice for the summer because I do have oily skin and I don't want to be layering a bunch of heavy products. And then I also picked up the Glass Skin Refining Serum. This is made with peach extract and peptide complex. So I believe this has like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Again, this was pricey. I do notice a difference with this. I will say that. I feel like my pores have definitely like tightened up a bit. I feel like this is a more expensive glorified version of the Ordinary's niacinamide and zinc, and that is obviously way less expensive. I haven't been using it that long, so I can't say for sure, but I'm gonna test this out a little bit more to see if the benefits are worth the price jump for me between the Ordinary one and that. And then the last thing I picked up are some of the nude sticks, all over face colors, but these are the dewy ones. I got the shades Sweet Peach Peony, Poppy Girl, and Tiger Lily Queen. I actually haven't even swatched these yet. All right, so this is Tiger Lily Queen. Oh, there we go. These are definitely more sheer, I think, than their other all over color sticks because they have that dewier finish to them. Next is the shade Poppy Girl. I'm trying to get a good angle. Can this fly? Ugh, I hate flies. I'm gonna fly in my house. And then last but not least, Sweet Peach Peony. That is this one right here. Just to go over again, I will be giving away one rose hair elixir from the Innate Life, the Wedad, I want to say it's Mongongo oil spray, and then the Wedad Advanced Climate Control Restore and Revive Biphase spray. Oh my god, wait, I also totally forgot. I wanted to talk about these too. I got some skincare from Florin B. These were sent to me, and this is their full set. So I have the Rose and Shine Refreshing Water Toner. This is nice, just like a regular facial spray, rose water. This brand in particular, they're cruelty-free. There's no toxins. They donate 1% to charity. It's all natural skincare, and all of the items are priced under $30, which I think is pretty good for natural skincare. Also have the Nectar of the Sea Rejuvenating Vitamin C Serum. This I've only used once, so I can't really attest to like how good it is. Something that I have been loving from this line, actually two things. So this is the Creme de la Cream, and this is the Moisturizing Face Cream. This is a beautiful texture. I really like this. It makes your skin so soft. And then what I've also really been liking is the Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. I have been looking for an eye cream to freaking fly. I've been looking for an eye cream to help with like the fine lines under my eyes. I can't say that it's doing anything yet, but this also has a really nice texture and it's hydrating without being like too greasy. It wears nicely under makeup. Okay, so that's all the PR I wanted to show you. Oh, I know what else I wanted to do. I've been getting a lot of questions about like a length check on my hair, so figured I would show you guys. This is where my hair is right now, and back. Oh my god, I'm just getting more oily by the second. My hair does grow pretty quick naturally, but trims are a great way to accelerate growth, which I never believed. When I started doing that, I noticed a huge difference in my hair growth. So I'm gonna say it again because so many people ask me how my hair grows so fast, and it is genetics, I guess, or just like a healthy diet, or I don't know what it is, but yeah, but definitely don't forget to do those hair trims. So just a few things that I want to touch on from my last video, last vlog, where I talked about anxiety and things like that. I just started reading the Brene Brown Daring Greatly book, like literally just today, and I'm obsessed with it so far. So I'm actually going to read a little bit more now, something that I have been doing just whenever I can. So for instance, when I have like 30 minutes and I just want to watch YouTube videos or turn the TV on or things like that, I've been trying to do like guided meditations in that time. I'm going to also start using that time to read now. So even if I read for like 30 minutes a day, it's more than I was doing before. I really love to read. I just never like carved the time out for it, but the same way, you know, anything works, you have to prioritize these things. So this book is great so far. I also got 10% Happier by Dan Harris. This was a recommendation from an old friend that reached out to me actually when she saw my video. So thank you for that. I'm going to start reading that too. But I just want to reiterate that those small changes that you make in a day, they add up, and they've helped my mindset. So like when I am reading, I know I'm doing something productive for myself as opposed to just like dying in front of the television. So I'm excited to get through these books. And again, I know I've said this on like Instagram and stuff a bunch of times, but thank you for all of the kind feedback that you guys left on that video, and also for sharing your stories, your hardships, and things like that. It means a lot. So thank you so much. So I think I'm going to end this video here so I can get to reading. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos. And I hope you have an amazing, wonderful day, a fantastic rest of your week, and I will see you next time.